Hello everyone, it's Angela here again. Good day from wherever you're watching me from. I hope you guys are doing really good. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare fried rice. And this is the rice I'm going to be using. I'm using basmati rice. And I'm using beef, green peas, yellow bell pepper. In here I have 5 large white onions and 3 large red onions, 1 large bell pepper red, green beans, baby carrots, sunflower oil, some spring onions, habanero pepper, very hot pepper, some spices, ginger spice, garlic spice, nutmeg, rosemary, curry powder, bay leaf, some curry powder, and 2 stock cubes. And in here I have 4 turkey legs and 2 hard chicken. So now we're gonna start. And I'm first of all going to slice my chicken. And you need a very sharp knife for this. And you really have to be careful not to slice your fingers with your knife. It's so easy to slice your chicken if your knife is sharp. You can see it's so easy. And this is the way I slice my turkey legs. Just like so. Just go around and hit the bone with your knife. Voila. Now I'm slicing my beef. Now my chicken and the turkey, I'm going to be cooking it in one pot. I just added some white onion and red onions and 1 of the pepper. And I'm adding my spices, and I'm going to add fresh ginger and garlic as well. That's it, fresh ginger and garlic. So I'm just going to give it a good stir, and I'm going to cook this without water for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to boil my beef as well. With fresh ginger and garlic. White onion and red onions, I just added to it. A little bit of curry powder, salt, and 1 stock cube, and rosemary. If you don't have rosemary, you can also use thyme. Just give it a good stir. Now I'm adding water to my chicken and the turkey to cook through. Little bit of water, not too much. So you can see now I'm adding my rosemary to my beef. And I just let it cook until it's tender. You can see my chicken and the turkey is also ready. Just going to bring them out of the water. You can see it's going in the oven. I'm not frying. You can also fry them. Now I'm going to sieve the stock With this stock, I'm going to boil my rice. The stock of the beef as well. So this is the stock from the beef and the chicken. So now I already washed my rice thoroughly. I washed it about 8 times. I didn't parboil. So I just added curry powder and a little bit of salt and nutmeg. If your chicken stock is not enough, you can add a little bit of water to it. Not too much water so that your rice don't go matchy. You just add water just above the rice. So I'm just going to let my rice cook until it's completely dry. As my rice is cooking, I'm going to be frying my veggies. See, I just added a little bit of sunflower oil. And I added my fresh garlic and ginger, the remaining onion, the red and white onion. Don't forget, I'm using a very high heat to fry these veggies. I'm going to give it a stir and I'm going to let it fry for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding my beef. And I'm frying that for 2 minutes as well, together with the onion and the ginger and garlic. Now I added my carrot, my green pea, my green beans, fried rice is not difficult to prepare, not at all. I just added a little bit of salt, 1 stock cube, and curry powder. I added the spring onions. It's just full of veggies. Now I added the yellow bell peppers and the red bell peppers. I'm just going to give it a good mix. And I let it cook for 5 minutes together. So my veggies is ready and my rice is also cooked. So I'm just mixing it together with the rice. My rice is still a bit hard. It's not totally cooked yet. I'm just turning everything in and give it a thorough mix. Then I'm going to let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then my fried rice is ready. And I just want to appreciate those of you that have subscribed to my channel and like my page. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching my videos. And if you come across my video, please subscribe, like my page, give me thumbs up. Thank you very much. Love you guys. You can see I just sliced some cabbage and cucumber, and I'm going to be adding some cherry tomato to it. You can see my salad is also ready. My rice is ready now. This is my fried rice. The rice is not too hard anymore. It's looking very yummy. And it tastes yummy as well. And this is my chicken and my turkey also ready. You can fry them if you want to fry. If you want to fry it, you can fry it. Seafood is ready. Dinner is ready. It's time to dig in. Tastes so yummy. This food came out so lekker, so yummy. I like my salad without cream. You can add